Hello everyone, welcome to Feel for Science YouTube channel and I am Chetan Fulaure. In previous video, we learned about water supply system and in this video, we are going to design that water supply system. So let's get started. So in last video, we learned about 4 components of water supply system which are shown here. The first one is source, second one is pumping machinery, third one is storage tank and the fourth one distribution network. Later on, I told other fifth component which was rising main. We will learn about designing of these components one by one and in next video we will cover rising main and distribution network. But before that we need to find out one parameter which is most important parameter in designing of water supply system and it is demand. So what is demand and how to find that demand? Let's take previous village example. In that, there were some houses. Villages needed water and that village population of this year we don't have. To find out that, we will need previous year's census population. We can get previous year's population from census website. Let's say for the year 1991, 2001 and 2011, population of village were 1000, 2000 and 2500 respectively. Now, as every person need water for activities like drinking, washing and cooking. We will assume here each person need 55 liters of water in a day and technically it is called as 55 liters per capita per day or 55 LPCD. You might be thinking that why I have taken this random and odd number. The number I have taken is in reference to the new program of Indian government, that is Jal Jeevan Mission, which aims that every household should get tap connection and each person should get 55 LPCD. So we will calculate how much water this village will need in a day. For that we will multiply our population of year 2020 with 55 LPCD. So this is our demand. But this demand we have got is for year 2020. But the scheme we are designing is for let's say 15 years. And after 15 years, our population won't be same as of today. So, if we design scheme for today's demand, then we cannot get sufficient water after 15 years. So, we need demand of year 2035. That is 15 years from now. So, how to calculate 2035 demand? If we keep our demand per person same, then we need 2035 years population. And it is found out by population forecasting methods. So, how to do this population forecasting? There are many forecasting methods which you can see on this screen. And you can choose according to their use which you can find in books. And I have also attached a link from which you can decide. But we are going to choose 3 methods which are arithmetic mean method, geometric mean method and incremental increase method. Each method has own significance and formulas of these methods can be seen here. By giving inputs like previous year census population, we will get forecasted population by each method. After that, we will take average of these populations. That's how we will get our final forecasted population. After solving, we will get village population equal to 4,392. So we will get our demand also 2,41,560 liters. By finding demand, we reach one milestone in our design. Now we will find out volume of ESR. This ESR should fulfill demand of village for a day. If we change frequency of water filling in ESR, then ESR capacity can be designed for half or 1/3 of demand. So it will reduce volume of ESR needed and ESR cost will also reduce. If the demand is 2,41,560 liters and we assume filling of ESR 2 times in a day, then ESR volume will be 1,20,780 liters. As we found the ESR capacity, then what capacity of pump will be needed in terms of power? The power of pump is defined in terms of horsepower or HP. So HP of pump is calculated by simple formula and it is density of fluid into acceleration due to gravity into flow of fluid into total head of pump divided by efficiency of pump. We will see how to find each term here. As we know, here density of fluid means density of water, which is 1000 kg per meter cube, and acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. For flow rate, as we know, it is equal to volume upon time. As volume is demand here and our demand is 2,41,560 liters. Time normally means number of hours of water supply in a tank by pump. Normally, if it is solar pump, we will assume 8 hours of supply. To get demand in liters per second, we will take time in seconds. So after calculation, our flow rate will be 8.4 liters per second. In this flow rate calculation, if we accommodate 5% losses, then flow rate will be 8.8 liters per second. Now we will discuss about how to calculate total head. Total head is equal to static head plus velocity head plus friction head. Static head is elevation between suction pipe entry to delivery pipe end. Let's assume it is 20 meter here. Velocity head is v square upon 2g. Velocity v is given by flow rate upon area, and area is pi d square upon 4. Let's assume maximum velocity head as 2 meter, and friction head formula can be seen here. C is Hazen-Williams constant. It is 140 for HDPE pipe and 100 for GI pipe. L and D are rising main length and inner diameter. Let's say in the village rising main length is 500 meter. Inner diameter is obtained from rising main design. Let's assume it is 75 mm as we will design rising main in later video. So after considering 10% losses due to bends walls, we will get friction head of 29.34 meter. So total head will be 51 meter. Efficiency of pump can be taken from pump curve available at a seller. Here we will consider it is 70%. So HP of pump will be 8.6 HP. So we will use a pump which is available in market with HP close to 8.6 on higher side. Till now we have found out demand, which is 2,41,560 liters, and from that we found out ESR capacity, which is 1,20,780 liters, and we found out pump capacity, which is 8.6 HP, and the designing of rising main and distribution network we will see in part 2. So thank you guys for watching video. Let me know you liked video or not by hitting like button and giving feedback in comment section. And do subscribe, as I will be coming up with detailed and interesting videos.